Hey everyone, hope you're doing well today. So today's video, I'm going to show you how you add WordPress to Hosting Ireland. Recently I signed up, decided to create a new website. I'm a complete novice and I didn't find the instructions that easy, so that's what prompted today's video. So let's get into it. Let's go to Hosting Ireland. Okay, so let's scroll down till we find it. So the first thing I'm going to assume is you've already bought your domain and you've paid for your hostings. If you haven't, you need to do that first. So once you've done that, you can just log into your account. I'm going to log in. So it depends on how many domains you have. In my case, I only have one because as I said, I'm a complete novice trying to set this up. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to your domain. You can do it here or here. So let's just do it. Click into it. Okay, so once you're over here, you've your website set up, the hosting is set up, but you need to add WordPress so you can log in. Okay, so go over here to the left hand side and it says actions and it says login to cPanel. So click on that. It might take a minute to log in. Actually, the instruction videos from Hosting Ireland doesn't actually show you that step, which I thought was quite confusing because I wasn't sure how to get into the panel where it was. Okay, and it's obviously an older setup. So if you go down here and go down to where it says software, so find software and go to this one here, your app installer. So click on this. Now I have already installed this, so I'm not going to go ahead and do it again. I'm not. So my one installation is here, but I figured out how to get this far. It took me a while. So when you're doing it, you need to go to install. Then you need to put in your website, which is this one. It automatically defaults to have WordPress at the end. You do not want this, so I recommend taking that out. Go down here, change it to whatever the name of your website is. Mine was something like that, or it can be whatever you want. Then this is going to be your username, your admin username. So you can put anything you want after that. So you can write, whatever. So my name is Jason, so I'm going to write Jason after it. It automatically generates a password here. You can actually remove this and you can put in your own password. For today's video, I'm just going to leave it because I'm not going to install it as this. As I said, I have this website and I've WordPress already added to it. So you can scroll down. You can limit your login attempts. So this is a pretty good one. So in case anyone was trying to break into your website, so you can limit the number of login attempts. So you can read the little piece here if you want. You can obviously select themes and that. You can click install here or you can click install here, and once you do that it'll take a minute and it'll say WordPress has been added to this URL here, and it'll also give you the URL you need to log into your website. Okay, so I will add some extra videos on how you do certain things in WordPress as I learn them myself. I hope you enjoyed today's video and I hope it was useful to some people. Thank you very much.